Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Toyota Rav4 can take you to some really cool places like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install.
You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
So to start our install, we need to remove our underbody panel on the driver's side. It's held in by 2 push pins and 1 plastic nut. We'll start by removing the push pins with a trim panel tool. We'll remove the nut using a 10mm socket. And then we'll set this aside. Our instructions say that we will not be reinstalling it. Now that we have that removed, that exposes our tow hook right here. It's held in by 2 bolts that we're gonna remove using a 17mm socket. Now we're going to lower our exhaust on the passenger side. We're just gonna remove this 1 rubber hanger right here. It helps to spray it with some soapy water, and we're gonna use some exhaust removal pliers. So that should give us enough room to move our exhaust around to get our hitch into place. But if you do feel like you need some extra room, you can also remove this exhaust hanger right here. Just make sure that you support it to the cross member using a support strap. Now we need to remove this rod on top of the exhaust. It's held in by 2 bolts that we'll take out using a 12mm socket. And we will not reinstall this. So now with everything out of the way, let's point out our weld nuts that we'll be using as our attachment points. On the driver's side, we're going to be using these 3 attachment points. And on the passenger side, it's really similar, but we only have 2. So now we're ready to bring our hitch into position. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive Hitch Jack. If you don't have a jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is pretty heavy. With our hitch lined up, we're ready to bring all of our hardware into place. For our driver's side, our kit comes with 3 bolts with conical tooth washers. We're gonna wanna make sure that the teeth face towards the hitch. So now with everything in place, we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specification. We'll be using a 19mm socket, and it helps to have a 5-inch extension. And now we're going to reinstall our exhaust. So with our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to get you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 12.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.